Hey, what's up guys? Izzy from Endless RVing, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to clean the rubber roof of your motorhome, trailer, or fifth wheel. You're not going to want to miss it.
We're going away. Get your bag, check the tag. Decision is made. Lock your door, need no more. It's already paid. Cancel your mail for a while. It's a journey for life, and I'm your ride.
So guys, a couple simple things you need to do this job. You need some kind of brush. This is a telescoping brush from Camco. The cool thing about this is that you hook it up to a garden hose through here, and then it has an on-off switch. So when you turn it on, it's going to allow water to flow through the brush, come out the bristles, which is going to be perfect for this job. Okay, so some kind of brush, doesn't have to be this one, but this is the one I'm going to use. Second thing you need, a garden hose or some sort of source of fresh running water. Okay, you're going to need that to clean the roof. Third thing, you need some kind of cleaner. Some people use Simple Green, mixed reviews. Some people says it works great, some don't. I'm going to be using the Dicor rubber roof cleaner. You spray this stuff on, and then you just rub it into the rubber roof and rinse it off, and that's all there is. All right. And then finally, I'm not going to be showing you this part today, but once the roof dries, you want to follow it up with some kind of roof guard. This is a Dicor UV protectant. So after the roof is cleaned off and it dries off, you're going to spray this in 3x3 sections. You spray it on the roof, wipe it down with a microfiber towel, and that'll leave a nice UV layer of protectant for your rubber roof. So I keep the roof pretty clean. We're going to move up there. You're going to see it's not crazy dirty, but we're going to clean it up. I clean it up like every 2 months or so. So I'm going to meet you back up top. I'll see you soon. Guys, so we're up on the roof. We got the drone overhead. MJ is going to be following me. The roof cleaner that I showed you, it's in the spray bottle. I already did a little bit of a section there. I'm going to bring the rest to you. It's real easy. You're going to just spray this stuff in sections, let it sit for a couple of seconds, and then just brush it off with the brush. Make sure to rinse thoroughly. Okay, so we're going to go through it. Like I said, I already cleaned the first section here. I cleaned right up to about here, so from here up. So now I'm going to start. You can see the dirt here. You see, especially in the seams underneath. So I'm going to clean right up to the edge of the air conditioner and work my way back. You want to make sure you rinse this stuff off. Usually once after I clean the roof, we're going to wash the coach, because you don't want this stuff running down the paint, okay? You can see how well that really works. I didn't use the telescope. No need for me to be bending over, so I'm going to telescope it out. So we're about a quarter of a way done. 37-foot roof, 36-foot or so. Pretty easy job. Once every 2 months, you'll keep your roof nice and white and keep it in good shape. Extend the life of your roof. All right, so just move back a little bit. Just watch your back. All right. So now I'm going to cut this up here. I'm going to go right across to the first vent. Get on the seams. This is not rocket science, guys. This is pretty easy to do. Hey guys, if you're enjoying the video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button on the bottom. Also hit that notification bell. Now to the rest of the video.
Baby boy Bowser in the window, watching over us.
And guys, that's it. I mean, that took all of what, 5 minutes or so, 10 minutes? Actually takes longer to set everything up than to do the job. So it's real quick. You can do this 2-3 times if you want. I mean, it's pretty white right now. Just a couple of things of caution. Just be cognizant you're on the roof. Don't be walking backwards. You notice when I got to the end, I kind of turned it around because I know I was getting to the end. Just be aware of your surroundings. You are like 13 feet up. You will get messed up if you fall. But real cheap. I'll put the links for the cleaner, the protectant, and the brush. You can do this yourself 3-4 times a year. Your roof will always be nice and last you a long time, okay? So thank you guys for watching. If you like the video, please share it. Thumbs up, subscribe. We appreciate everything. Check out the Amazon links. If you're gonna buy something and it's cheapest on Amazon, use those links. It helps us out. And for myself and MJ, who is on the camera, not on the mic, she's on the camera, we'll hope to see you guys on the road.